Welcome back to Classic Cars. Today, we're diving into the world of vintage motorcycles and their impact on automotive history. While our main focus has always been on classic cars, we can't ignore the two-wheeled legends that have shaped the industry just as much as their four-wheeled counterparts. From roaring American cruisers to sleek European speedsters, these motorcycles hold a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts. Let's kick things off with one of the most iconic brands in motorcycling history, Harley-Davidson. Founded in 1903, Harley-Davidson has been a symbol of freedom and rebellion for over a century. With models like the Knucklehead, Panhead, and the legendary Electro Glide, Harley cemented itself as the king of the open road. The deep rumble of a Harley engine is unmistakable, and its timeless design keeps collectors searching for pristine models even today. Moving across the Atlantic, we have another giant in the motorcycle world, Triumph. This British brand became famous in the mid-20th century, especially with models like the Bonneville. It was a favorite among riders who crave both style and performance. With its sleek fuel tank, lightweight frame, and powerful engine, the Bonneville quickly became the go-to motorcycle for racers and rockers alike. Even Hollywood stars like Steve McQueen were known for their love of Triumph bikes, making them a cultural icon. Another legendary name that deserves mention is BMW Motorrad. While BMW is widely known for its luxurious cars, their motorcycles have been just as impactful. The BMW R32, introduced in 1923, laid the foundation for the brand's reputation for precision engineering. BMW's boxer engines, shaft-driven systems, and advanced suspension technology made them favorites among long-distance riders. The BMW R90S from the 1970s was one of the first sport touring motorcycles, blending speed with comfort. Of course, we can't forget about the Japanese manufacturers who revolutionized the motorcycle industry. Brands like Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki, and Suzuki entered the scene in the 1950s and 60s, bringing reliability, affordability, and performance that challenged the European and American giants. One of the most game-changing models was the Honda CB750, introduced in 1969. It was one of the first motorcycles to feature an inline-4 engine with disc brakes, setting new standards for power and safety. Kawasaki's E1 and Yamaha's RD350 also pushed the boundaries of performance and are now highly sought-after classics. Italian brands have also left a lasting mark on motorcycle history. Ducati, with its high-performance racing pedigree, introduced stunning designs and cutting-edge technology. The Ducati 750 Super Sport from the 1970s became an instant classic, while models like the Ducati 916 redefined sport bike aesthetics and performance. Moto Guzzi, another iconic Italian brand, introduced transfer speed twin engines that became a signature feature of their motorcycles. Classic motorcycles aren't just about speed and style, they tell a story of innovation, culture, and passion. Whether it's the handcrafted choppers of the 1960s, the cafe-tilted copyright racers of London's streets, or the high-revving two-strokes that defined an era, each bike has a legacy worth celebrating. Restoring and maintaining these bikes has become a passion for many collectors, with some rare models fetching high prices at auctions worldwide. As the world moves toward electric and modern technology, classic motorcycles remain a testament to the craftsmanship and mechanical ingenuity of the past. They remind us of a time when riding was about feeling the road, hearing the roar of the engine, and embracing the pure joy of motorcycling. That's why vintage motorcycles continue to capture our imagination and admiration. If you enjoyed this look into the world of classic motorcycles, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Classic Cars, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let us know in the comments which classic motorcycle is your favorite and if you want to see more motorcycle content in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.